Why does your scanner show the P0381 engine code? What does it mean? P0381 is a diagnostic trouble code for glow plug or heater indicator circuit malfunction. The P0381 engine code for Indicate Powertrain Control Module (PCM) has detected a fault in the glow plug/heater indicator, circuit glow plug warning lamp, or its control circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Glow plug indicator lamp failure. Faulty glow plug control module. Damaged wiring or connectors. Faulty instrument cluster. Defective PCM or software issue. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, Seat, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.